Aloe vera contains plant hormones that help stimulate new root growth, aid in seed germination, and can ease or prevent transplant shock. We try to water our newly transplanted seedlings with aloe vera, especially if they are looking stressed. Another way to prevent transplant shock is properly hardening of indoor seedlings before they are planted outdoors. As a nutrient accumulator, friends, this is baking soda. As a nutrient accumulator, aloe vera is reported to contain over 75 active constituents including amino acids, enzymes, minerals, vitamins A, C, E, and B2, 3, 5, 6, and 12, along with chlorine, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and more. These things combined make aloe a natural, mild, but potent fertilizer for plants. This superfood like tonic can be used for enhancing root development, cell strength, and overall plant vitality. Plant vitality. Guys, do you know aloe vera work as a disease resistant and resilience? Aloe vera promotes a strong plant immune system for disease resistance. It contains three very important compounds to plant health. Just combine 1 tablespoon baking soda with this liquid fertilizer. The best concentration of baking soda is a 1% solution. The remainder of the solution can be water, but coverage on the leaves and stems is better if some horticulture oil or soap is added to the mixture. Guys, you can add detergent or neem oil with this liquid fertilizer. Sodium bicarbonate as a fungicide works by disrupting the ion balance in the fungal cells, which cause them to collapse. The biggest danger in using sodium bicarbonate on plants is the potential for foliar burn. This liquid fertilizer, baking soda, and aloe vera liquid fertilizer kills insects by dehydration. The sodium in the soda being a salt, it is cleared by any many of the government agencies as a safe insect killer, including the US UPA. Though baking soda and aloe vera in large quantities can damage plants and even cause plant death in low solution, it is general plant safe when used as an insecticide. Spot testing before wide spread use is wise. A solution of 1% baking soda is generally considered safe. In this recipe, baking soda and aloe vera both are active ingredient for your plants. Friends, if aloe vera liquid fertilizer and mix of baking soda, use this spray to prevent powdery mildew from setting in when conditions are damp for a long period of time, or at the first signs of powdery mildew of or leaf spot disease. You can mix them combined ingredient and shake before using. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.